Course Plus. Expressway to elegant career.
5 habits to break ASAP. There are some things that life is just better without. Bad habits are one of them. This tutorial is meant to help you become aware of 5 bad habits that you need to break as soon as possible. These habits are meant to be ones that you will strive to avoid. The habits are numbered 1 to 5, growing more difficult as the number increases. None of these may come easily and you may get discouraged, but keep up the work on breaking these bad habits and you will reap the rewards that come from new, healthier habits. Okay, habit number 1. Saying yes to everything you get offered or invited to do. Saying yes is not always a bad habit, but when it becomes your go-to answer for everything, you may need to replace this habit. When you say yes to everything, you can have the tendency to overbook yourself and end up with conflicts. These conflicts can lead to strained relationships with others as you're constantly changing around your schedule to make room for everything that you've agreed to do. Saying yes to everything also takes away from the time you could be spending doing the things that you want to do. Personal time and free time are important. Spending time with those closest to you and by yourself can help you recharge your social battery and can provide some much-needed downtime. Habit number 2. Not including self-care into your routine. Self-care is super important. Many of us take it for granted, but factoring in little aspects of self-care throughout your day can make a huge difference. Nutrition and hydration are forms of self-care. Making sure you eat 3 nutritious meals or an equivalent number of snacks a day, and making sure that you get your 8 cups of water a day are some basic but beneficial forms of self-care. Meditation and mindfulness practices can be great forms of self-care. These activities can help you become more aware and intuitive about yourself and your actions. This awareness and intuition can help you notice and change your daily habits. Lastly, doing something for yourself every day can be empowering and an act of self-care. Whether it's eating a treat for dessert, reading some of your favorite books, or watching a certain movie or a show. Make time to do something for yourself every day. Habit 3. Snoozing your alarm too much. Sleep is extremely important both for self-care and as a habit. Snoozing your alarm clock too much is not a good habit to have. It can make you more tired and have bad health repercussions. Snoozing your alarm too much will not put you back into a deep enough sleep to be effective, and the jolting awake each time the alarm goes off can raise your heart rate and your blood pressure. Habit 4. Having a beer or glass of wine after every stressful day at work. Drinking beer and wine is not inherently bad, it's just how you choose to do so. Having beer or wine after every stressful day at work can lead to a dependence on alcohol to relieve stress. This may cause you to drink higher quantities of alcohol to relieve even more stress, which can lead to health problems. Habit 5. Smoking and vaping. Last but not least is one of the most apparent examples of a habit you need to break ASAP. I'm not saying it's easy to quit smoking or vaping, but it can lead to a better overall hygiene and health for you and those you love.